Deploying and maintaining your own web server is a task almost everyone who works online eventually faces. Whether it's a personal website, a corporate portal, an online store, or several client projects on one machine, you end up configuring a web server, a database, PHP, SSL certificates, FTP access, and sometimes mail. Doing all of that manually over SSH is time-consuming and requires real expertise. A single mistake in an Nginx config or file permissions can easily cost hours of troubleshooting. The traditional approach is to install and configure every component separately: a LAMP or LEMP stack, certbot for SSL, VSFTPD for FTP, phpMyAdmin for databases, and separate scripts for backups. It can take a full day to get everything working, and maintaining that setup often turns into constant manual work. A simpler alternative that saves both time and effort is aaPanel. aaPanel is an open-source hosting control panel. From a single web interface, it lets you manage websites, MySQL, MariaDB, MongoDB databases, mailboxes, SSL certificates, FTP access, and backups. It supports both Apache and Nginx, multiple PHP versions side by side, includes a built-in firewall and resource monitoring, and provides an API for automation, especially useful if you manage more than one server. HOSTKEY deploys aaPanel in just a few minutes, with access to the web panel available right after installation. Let's see how to order it. Open the Nvapi HOSTKEY COM control panel, create an account if you don't have one, and after logging in, go to New Instance Servers. Choose a region, open the Virtual Servers tab, and select your server configuration. For a single website or a small project, the minimum default requirement for aaPanel is usually enough: 2 vCPU and 2 GB RAM. If you plan to host multiple websites, run a database under real load, and enable a mail server, it makes sense to choose a stronger configuration: 4 vCPU, 4 8GB RAM, and 80 GB plus SSD storage. After selecting the configuration, go to Software, Apps and Panels, and choose aaPanel. Optionally, in automatization, you can set a server name and, if needed, specify your own domain. This is useful if you want to access the panel via a human-friendly hostname instead of an IP address. Then choose your billing period. The longer the term, the higher the discount, and click Order. Once the server is ready, open the server card, go to Tags, and copy the web panel link from the web panel tag. Open the link. Your browser may warn you about a self-signed certificate. This is normal at the first stage, and you can issue a proper SSL certificate for the panel later. Proceed, and you'll see the login screen. By default, the username is aaPanel, and the password is aaPanel123. Sign in. After the first login, aaPanel will prompt you to install a basic stack in the Recommended Software Packages window. You'll see two presets: single web server model for one project and multi-web server hosting for hosting multiple sites. Each preset includes a web server choice: Nginx or Apache, MySQL, PHP 8.3, the pure FTPD FTP server, and phpMyAdmin. Optionally, you can also install a DNS server and a mail server. For most use cases, select Nginx, MySQL, and PHP 8.3, choose Quick Install, and click One Click. The installation takes a few minutes. aaPanel will automatically assemble a working LEMP stack. Now let's quickly walk through the interface so you know where everything is. Home is the main dashboard with server status. At the top, you'll see the OS name, panel version, and controls like update and reboot. Below are system tiles, CPU and memory usage, disk space, an overview of websites, recommended extensions, traffic stats, and security status. Everything you need to understand server health at a glance. Website is where you manage sites, add domains and subdomains, select PHP versions, create database users, configure SSL, redirects, traffic limits, and file permissions. WP Toolkit is for WordPress. It can install WordPress in one click and offers security tools, backups, and fast CGI caching. Managing multiple WordPress sites at scale, bulk updates, migrations, password resets requires an aaPanel cloud subscription, but single WordPress installs can be done for free. FTP manages FTP access. You can create accounts tied to specific directories, change the FTP server port, and view connection logs. aaPanel uses pure FTPD. Databases covers database management. You can switch between MySQL, SQL Server, MongoDB, Redis, and PostgreSQL sections. From here, you create databases, set automated backups, manage the root password, open phpMyAdmin, and configure remote database access. Docker is a built-in container manager. You'll see containers, compose projects, images, networks, and volumes, plus tabs for one-click app installs, Docker Compose, network, volume management, and daemon settings, a convenient alternative to using the Docker CLI for everyday tasks. Monitor shows system performance history, yesterday, today, last 7 days. Load average, CPU, memory, network, disk. Monitoring is disabled by default. Enable it with the monitoring status toggle to start collecting charts. Security is server security. The firewall tab shows rules, allowed ports, protocols, and IP sources, plus which ports are currently listening. Other sections include SSH settings, brute force protection, anti-intrusion, and system hardening. WAF is aaPanel's web firewall for application-level protection, CC attacks, keyword blocking, vulnerability scan defense. It includes real-time attack maps, request stats, black-white lists, and custom rules. It works only with Nginx. The basic WAF functionality is paid. It's a commercial aaPanel product. Mail Server provides full email functionality, domains, mailboxes, marketing tools, webmail, forwarding, autoresponders, and backups. Some features require linking an aaPanel cloud account. Files is a browser-based file manager, directory navigation, permissions, owners, file editing, archiving, recycle bin, and directory backups, a practical replacement for an SFTP client for everyday tasks. Logs contains panel logs. Panel logs show all aaPanel operations, logins, package installs, service restarts, cron runs, and vulnerability fixes. There are also website logs, audit logs, SSH login logs, and per app logs. Node helps manage multiple servers from a single panel, add remote nodes, connect via SSH in the web UI, run commands across multiple servers, and transfer files. Advanced features require a subscription. Domains centralizes domain and SSL management. It can integrate with DNS provider APIs, like Cloudflare or Namecheap, to manage records, track SSL status, auto-renew certificates, and send expiry reminders, useful if you manage many domains across registrars. Account lets you create sub-accounts with disk, traffic quotas, and isolated control areas. This is mainly for hosting providers and requires an aaPanel cloud account. Terminal is a web-based terminal with saved connections and a library of frequently used commands, handy for quick tasks, especially from a mobile device. Cron is the task scheduler. It supports scheduled jobs with output to local folders or external storage. By default, aaPanel includes a daily job for Let's Encrypt SSL renewal. There's also a task library with ready-made scripts. App Store is a one-click marketplace for apps and plugins, some free, some paid, with categories like deployment, tools, plugins, professional, and third-party plugins. Settings contains the core panel settings. Network and access includes domain binding, port changes, and the security entrance feature, a secret login URL. You can enable HTTPS for the panel itself, configure API and developer modes, set 2FA, adjust appearance, alerts, backups, migration, and service control. A critical security step: immediately after installation, change the default username and password. Go to Settings, Authentication and Security. Click Modify next to Panel User and set a new username, at least 5 characters. Then change the password. You'll need the current one and a new password with at least 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. Save the changes. aaPanel is a great fit for hosting multiple websites on a single server. If you manage dozens of servers and hundreds of projects, you'll want cluster-oriented solutions, or you can rely on aaPanel's API for centralized automation. It won't replace a full DevOps platform for large production environments, but for most web hosting tasks, it's more than enough. aaPanel gives you a convenient management interface, and HOSTKEY provides the stable foundation so your server runs without surprises. Why it's convenient to deploy aaPanel on HOSTKEY. A ready-to-use marketplace app. Launch without manually building a LEMP stack. The server is ready right after deployment. The web panel and base configuration come up automatically. The option to set your own domain during the order process. Region choice based on your project needs and data requirements. Predictable infrastructure. Stable networking and resources for real workloads. 24/7 support, including help with opening SMTP ports and domain-related setup. Try aaPanel on HOSTKEY today. The link is in the description.